Welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to do project number 2, which is this lovely basket of flowers on the front of a bike. So I have got my best wishes greeting banner. I've got the floral piece here. I've got my 2 stamps. So let's first mark those to start off with. Okay, and now we can ink up with our Calypso Coral. Our best wishes goes on here, and I'm just going to pull it towards me a little bit so I can see a little bit better. Here we go. So we've got our best wishes. Okay, and now let's do our flowers. Now they're all at a different angle. So we just need to pay attention to which way up the flowers are. Okay, well, I know this one goes this way, so we'll do this one first. And I think this one goes this way. Yes, it does. Okay. Sometimes something that looks so simple, and you start doing it, and you're like, I don't know. Okay, so we'll stamp that one down. And then we'll stamp our third one down. Like so. There we go. There are our flowers all done. So the next thing we need to do is we need to do our dimensionals. So, and everything is dimensionalized on this one, including this big bike. So I am going to pause the video now and do all my dimensionals and then come back. Okay, so we're just doing the last 2 dimensionals here. And before I adhere anything down, I need to take my linen thread, and you'll see there's a space here with no dimensionals, and your linen thread needs to be threaded through. And wrapped around, and we need to tie a bow. And this needs to be a little bit towards the top. Honestly, what I'm going to do, we need to do an adhesive dot to hold it in place later on. But I'm going to do that now. And it needs to be about right here. And I'm just going to do this so that I have somewhere to adhere this to so that I can tie the bow a little better. Because if you've been watching me for any length of time, you know my ability to tie a bow on camera is relatively small. Okay. Okay, so there we go. That was good. Let's pull our strings a little closer. And then just tighten that up. Okay, now I can trim my ends here. Perfect. Okay. So now I need to peel all the backings off. So I'm going to pause the video again so that I can peel the backings off. And then I'll start it again as I start putting pieces down. Okay, we'll take our last backing off. And this needs to go down. Make sure you've got your card the right way up. I say that only because I have done this upside down before. The bicycle is going to go right into this corner here, and we're going to pop that down. And then our best wishes banner goes over the top of the linen thread. And we need to make sure that we are all the way onto the basket. There we go. And then this can come back over top again. There we go. And then we take our flowers that we stamped, and we're going to put those down up here. So line that up, and there we go. And now we need to add some of these beautiful butterflies. So one goes up here like this, and I need 3 of them. One goes over here like this, and one goes in the middle like that. So that is project number 2 from the Bikes and Blooms June Paper Pumpkin Kit. So stay tuned for project number 3.